The future of learning with artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of education, where AI transforms the learning experience for teachers and students alike. The AI in the classroom will creating a new era of academic excellence that has not been seen before. Smart learning with AI will lead to innovating how we educate and inspire. Imagine reducing a teacher's workload by 70% while boosting student academic performance significantly. AI isn't just a tool, it's a must-have in modern education. Let's see AI in action. A teacher wants to create a grade 5 math quiz on multiplying two-digit numbers. With a simple prompt, grade 5, math, multiplications of two-digit numbers, the AI generates a formatted quiz with an answer key in seconds. The teacher can regenerate the quiz with different difficulty levels. And the teacher can request step-by-step solutions. The quiz is aligned with our curriculum and student grade level. The quizzes can be copied to another external file. Students experience personalized learning through interactive AI quizzes. The school teacher will facilitate the AI to ask one question to the student at a time, providing instant feedback and corrections. The AI will ask the student a question. Once the student responds, the AI will confirm the answer if it is correct. If the student's response is incorrect, the AI will provide the correct answer and explain how it is solved. With smart interactive AI quizzing, maximum impact is achieved from personalized learning journeys. At the end, students receive a final score, strengths, areas for improvement, and a personalized study plan. Teachers can prepare comprehensive lesson plans with a single prompt. By entering the grade level, subject, and lesson title, the AI delivers a detailed plan, including objectives, teaching methods, in-class examples, practice exercises, and homework. Time saving for teachers, to focus on what matters the most, how to teach. Outcomes can be copied to another external file. Principals and school staff can rely on AI for creating presentations, emails, letters, or research reports. Example of prompt for research essay is, Grade 6, Persuasive, 2,500 words, The Dangers of Smoking for Teenagers. By simply typing the subject and keywords, AI generates professional documents in seconds. It is powerful, quick, professional, and effective. Let the principal focus on leading, not paperwork. Outcomes can be copied to another external file. AI ensures the student comprehends each step before moving to the next step. This interactive approach allows the AI to respond to the student's progress in real time, providing personalized feedback and assistance as needed. By breaking down challenges into manageable steps and verifying understanding at each stage, the AI promotes a deeper and more thorough learning experience. This method not only helps students grasp complex concepts, but also significantly boosts their academic performance. IW Academy offers endless AI possibilities for teachers and students. From exams, essay writing, behavior improvement plans, and teaching soft skills, to programming, word problems, and more. The future of education is bright with AI. Do not miss the train. Embrace the change and transform your educational journey with IW Academy. Start today.